People say I'm the best boss. They go, gosh, I've never worked any place like this before. You're hilarious and you get the best out of us. I guess that about sums it up.
Working in a toy shop really isn't my dream job, but tonight's the Christmas party, so yeah, I'm pretty excited.
Oh man, who put my candy canes in Jell-O again?
Presents are the best way to show someone how much you care about them. It's a tangible way to say, hey, I love you this many dollars worth.
I got David. I don't really know a lot about David. I know his name's David. I think he's got dry skin, so I got him body butter.
I got myself for Secret Santa this year. I was supposed to tell someone, but I didn't.
Hey, Jim,
Hey,
you get something special this year?
I think I did a pretty good job.
Yeah? Who'd you have?
Well, I can't tell you because it's a secret.
I got my guy something special this year. I spent a lot of dough. A lot of dough. Wow.
Well, you know there was a $50 limit, so...
Well, I just wanted it to be a little special this year in the office, so I went a little bit above and beyond.
Well, don't tell me who it is.
It was Brian. I had Brian.
All right, people. It's time to get your presents, wrap them, place them under the tree like so. If you do not get them under the tree in the next 5 minutes, you'll be disqualified from Secret Santa. No exceptions, except for Santa.